Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Oracle Linux 10.2 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Oracle official website and download Oracle Linux. Just you need to go through this link. I will keep this link in the video description. Then see here we have the latest version of the 10 series, that is 10.2, and here we have three different ISOs: full ISO, boot ISO, source ISO. I am going to download this full ISO. Full ISO size is more compared to others. Okay, click on this Oracle Linux R10 U2. See, download started and its size is about 10.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or go to machine and select new. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the location where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded Oracle Linux 10.2 ISO image. See, once you selected OS, change it to Linux, OS distribution to Oracle Linux, and OS version, don't select this. Proceed with unattended installation checkbox. See, here we have the versions up to 10. So it has selected Oracle Linux 10.x. Then click on next. Now we have to provide virtual hard disk size. I am giving 4 gigabytes memory, 2 CPUs and 100 GB hard disk space. Okay, then click on next. This is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, you have to click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select the settings, or just select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. The only option I want to change is go to settings. Here pointing device, I am selecting USB tablet. Then click on OK. Then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the install Oracle Linux 10.2.0 and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See here the beginning installation has been graded. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. Okay, so first configure these red color highlighted options. I am okay with all these defaults. Click on done. Then root account. By default it is selected disable root account. I want to enable it. It is up to you. Then click on done. User creation. I am giving user full name as R2schools, and this is the username. Add administrative privileges to this user account. Both keep it as it is. It is up to you. Then click on done. Software selection. See, by default it has selected server is GUI. If you want only server, you have to select this server in this space environment, or minimum install workstation and other options. Okay, I'm going with the server with GUI. If you select server, see here right side additional software options has been changed. Okay, you want to install any one of these, just you need to select the check boxes. Okay, whatever you want you can select, it is up to you. Then click on done. Time and date, language support, it has selected defaults. Okay, if you want to modify again this, just you need to click on here and you can edit, select the region and city. Okay, I'm okay with this one, so click on done. And here manual date or automatic date and time. Okay, it is up to you. Then click on done. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation has been completed. Now click on reboot system. Now you have to log in. Click on username, then provide the password that you have set for this user. If you want to log in with root account, just click on this back and you can click on not listed. Then select the user. Then provide the root account. Okay. Skip. Now open terminal. Now increase the font size by going to these three horizontal bars. Preferences. Then turn off this one. Then custom font. Now verify the version mos/etc os-release. See, you have installed Oracle Linux server and its version number is standard 2. Press spacebar. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to Oracle Linux is you have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update offset sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user or root account. See, it is going to install 13 packages and upgrading 214 packages. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. And this is the download size. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle Linux Standard 2 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.